Hey guys, it's Charlie again here with Model Train ASMR, and we are here for another quick update on the ITLA scale industrial wall modules that will become Corvega Heavy Industries on my layout. So currently we are looking at the north side of my layout. I've got another ITLA scale kit here, All-State Manufacturing, but next to it here we've got our SO station and what is going to be, as you can see, an absolutely massive factory that will be Corvega Heavy Industries over here. So I have finished the assembly of the wall modules and painted everything up in like a stone gray out of a rattle can. What I did today is I went through and painted up all of our different windows here. I've just got one example of the many types of windows, and then painted our bricks here, kind of they call it a Cabernet color on the rattle can. Did a couple, quick spritzes of black. It looks a little bit more red on the camera here, but it's kind of more like a reddish brown, a deeper, darker tone in person. But they break out of these little sprues, and they will eventually go into each of these little sections underneath where the windows go, or if it's a non-window panel, there are brick panels that are the size of these large window openings. So that's it here for our little quick update. I'm going to start gluing these in place, and we'll check back in later once we've got a little bit more progress. See you next time, guys.